One of the most important hurdles English learners make is managing the time. And the reason behind this is they have a lot of things to do in a day. Office is there. Skill improvement or technical seminars are there. Family responsibilities are there. Entertainment and leisure activities are there. Plus the daily traveling time is there. So with all these different activities in a day, they don't have any time left for English improvement, communication improvement activities. When they go to home at night, they are completely drained, exhausted. And when they start working on their communication, they are completely drained out. They are completely fatigued. And without much delay, they go to bed. If this is your problem, if you don't find time for English improvement, then this video is for you. Don't miss this video. Have patience. Yeah, having patience is very important. Nowadays, patience are rare. So I tell you, have patience, watch this video completely, properly, take down the notes, and I will help you out to find out the truth. I will help you to find out the real method of managing your time properly so that you can focus properly on your English communication and your confidence development. So let us continue. I make videos based on problems which my students face. I take online training sessions. In that session, many students tell me their problems. Recently, 2 days before, one of my students who was working for IT company, a big company, at a very high post, he told me that, sir, I have problem with time management. I'm so busy whole day and at night I get exhausted. I don't have any time and energy left for working on my communication. Help me out, sir. Then I decided to make this video so that this will help you also. Now understand one thing here. This problem is with most of the people and they don't know how to do that, how to manage the activities. The reason behind this is we have so many activities lined up. Lot of activities are there, lot of responsibilities are there, lot of work is there, and plus this English communication work. Friends, if you have not seen my previous videos about habit development, then please go and watch those videos. I have given links in the description. See those videos and then you will understand what I exactly mean to say. To develop your English communication, English habits are very important. But to develop these habits, time is required. And time is limited. Everyone has only 24 hours. And you have to give some time for English improvement out of your busy schedule. Most of the students, most of the corporate employees who join me, they say that they have this problem. So let us try to solve this problem. Let me explain you the law of 80-20, or it's also called as Pareto's principle. An Italian economist who found out this law. According to this law, everything in our life is shared in the ratio of 80-20. Let me give you some example. 80% of your customers account for 20% of the sales and 20% of the customers account for 80% of the sales. This 20% of the customers, we can call them as high potential customers. This can be applied for corporate also. 80% of the employees do 20% of the work, whereas 20% of the employees do 80% of the work. Same thing we can apply for salary also. 80% of the employees take 20% of the salary, total salary of that organization, and 20% of employees account for 80% of total salary expenditures done by that organization. Now we can apply this for our everyday life also. For example, 80% of people in this world own 20% of the wealth, and 20% people own 80% of the world's wealth. I can go on and on, but let us come here now. Very important point is this. 80% of your activities in a day add 20% of value in you, and 20% of these activities add 80% of value in you. Now these 20% of the activities are called as vital few, and the 80% of those activities are called as trivial many. Vital few, trivial many. What I mean? Let me explain you. 80% of these activities, these contribute only 20% of value, or they are only 20% important in our life. They add only 20% of value. Which are those activities? Well, in simple language I can explain. These activities are easy and these activities are fun. Well, which are those activities? For example, gossiping at water cooler in a company, in a corporate, or every weekend going for a trip is a fun activity, is an easy activity. It is not going to add much in your life. Or taking a too long lunch break, too long, more than necessary lunch break in the afternoon. It's again 80% and it's not going to add too much in your life. Web series, Netflix, social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, and all. These come in 80% of category, which are called as trivial many. They do not add any value or much value in you, but we spend time on that. Why we do that? As I told you at the beginning, because it is easy and it is fun. Easy and fun. So we do that. And we love doing easy and fun activities. On the other side, 20% are called as vital few. These are the activities in a day which are very important and add 80% of value in you. I mean, when you focus on this 20%, you can achieve 80% of the results in your life. Which are those activities? Again, I will tell you in simple line. These activities are boring and they will make you uncomfortable and nervous. Which are those activities? Well, for example, going to a gym or going for jogging is boring, but it's going to add value in your life. Speaking in English with your friends, it is difficult, it is boring, but it will add 80% value in you, in your life. For example, studying any technical subject which is difficult, it will come in 20%. Or going on a stage and giving a pep talk, or giving a talk, giving a presentation, will come in 20% vital few. But if you think carefully, we do not focus on 20%. We do not focus on 20%, we focus on 80%. And this is the big problem. Our problem is we don't know where to focus on. Focus and consistency is a big problem in our life. Dear friends, time management is not a problem. The problem is priority management. We do not know the 20% important activities which are vital. We are not focusing on that. We are focusing on 80% of the activities which will keep you engaged whole day, busy whole day, but you end up achieving very less. But this 20% of the activities will add 80% in your life. And one of that activity is focusing on English communication, focusing on your English habits, which I have told you before in my previous videos. Dear friends, you have to focus on this 20%. How to do that? You should learn to say no. No to yourself also and no to others also. For example, gossiping at water cooler, say no to your friends. Politely, you should say no. Taking a long break in the afternoon, maybe a lunch break or maybe a tea break, say no to yourself also and to your friends also. Say no to social media. Say no to Netflix. Your ability to say no for the weekend parties, for unnecessary shopping on weekends is very important so that you can focus on the 20%. If you can focus on 20%. You will get tremendous results in your life, not only in terms of your health or wealth, but also in terms of English communication. What happens is, I have seen many people, what they do is, for example, when they are doing a 20% of the activity, when they are studying, they stop their study and then they realize that the fan is dirty, or the window panes are dirty, or the table is messed up, and instead of studying, they start cleaning all these things. Cleaning your home, cleaning your car will come in 80%. You can do that when you are tired, physically tired, mentally tired. But when you are mentally fit, mentally fresh, physically fresh, you have to focus on these 20%. So if you have a problem with your time management as far as English activities are concerned, then it's not a problem of time management, it's the problem of priority management. What you have to do is, you have to make a list of trivial many activities. That is, those activities which come under 80%, make a list. Which is the list? Make a long list and then delete that list. Don't focus on that. And when you focus on 20%, when you delete that 80%, you will get more time for the 20%. Because now a lot of free space, free time is available in a day. And now you can focus on your English communication, you can focus on your health, you can focus on your office work, you can focus on your self-improvement, any technical course you can do online, and you will not be stressed. You will have time left. But we do not do the time audit. We do not see where we waste our time. We think like 2 minutes on Instagram and 2 minutes for Facebook. It ends up with 1 hour and 2 hours watching useless YouTube videos. Be careful about that. This is the simple mantra of vital few, trivial many. Hope friends you like this video, and from next time focus on 20%. Give importance to 20% of these activities and you will have no problem with time management. Thanks a lot for watching this video and take care. Goodbye.